YouTube, welcome back, family. It is that time once again. So a buddy of mine, he just come by. He drops off his pressure washer. He got to get clean some gutters and pressure wash the house. And this clown, guys, he takes his carburetor apart, tries to put it back together, and tells me he forgets how he took it apart and get it back together. And he gives me his stuff in a bag. I tell you, I hate going behind mechanics for this reason right here. Sometimes not all mechanics are good mechanics. But all right, guys, we're about to jump right into it. Let's get it. All right, so it is a Honda. I worked on it a while back. Bam, it's pretty. So he said he couldn't get it started. He believed it was the carburetor. Well, I'm assuming he needs me to put her back to life. So we're going to take the carb out and we're going to clean it and then we're going to put it back together. All right, what he got going on? Fuel's off. Yep. All right. This is a brand new carburetor. Yep. I'm going to text him and find out. But this looks like a brand new carburetor, guys. Sometimes when you get a brand new car, it's always, in my opinion, a good idea to clean them. And that's because what they do is basically they build this thing, package it up. It goes through a warehouse, through a truck, from that truck into another warehouse potentially, or its selling location. And it'll sit on the shelf just sitting there, you know, collecting dust. Empty tank, and I don't know how, but dust will get in anything that has air. If it's not airtight, dust is in there. My Yarmax I bought, I actually had to clean the carburetor when I first bought it. But enough jaw jacking, let's break this thing down. Make sure you don't lose that. If you lose this thing right here, your washer, you're gonna be mad. Okay, if this was a new carburetor, then that is not a new bolt. Oh no, there's no way this is a new carb. Oh yeah, there's rust in there. Alright, there's nothing. Yeah. Okay, yep. Here we go. And yep, it's rusted. But that thing, that's rusted on there. Gonna try to show y'all this one-handed. There we go. Yeah, look at that. And here's the drain bolt. Yeah, it's rusted in there. I'm going to try to take it out, but when they're rusted, they're so brittle they fall apart. And it looks like someone already fiddled with it. But I'm just going to stick a screwdriver in there and take it out. So I took the screwdriver and screwed it, but it doesn't come out well. Bam, there it is. Okay. Yeah, that thing is gross. There it is right there, guys. Nice and clean. When screwing that jet in, once it stops, that's it. Don't keep going. All right. So when you're installing it, guys, you should be able to hear your butterfly valve in there. If you don't hear it when you shake it, something's wrong. All right. Now we're gonna hook her up. Okay. Do you have gas fuel? Okay. It's on. Start. Start this one. Run that one. Okay. Start. No primer, no nothing. Okay. Oh, got the fuel off. Huh? There we go. Give it a moment. Bam. There it is, guys. Thanks for coming. And as always, spot you in the next one.